Good day. Do you know how many numbers do we have? That will be our lesson today. Have you heard about digits? A number may have one or more digits. We have learned from our number line, as we go to the right, it becomes bigger and bigger. Take a look with this example. Let's compare number 5 and number 10. 5 has 1 digit, while 10 has 2 digits. A number may contain 0 to 9 digits. Now tell me, how many numbers are there in this example? Yes, there is only one number, 935, but it contains 3 digits, 9, 3, and 5. 935 is a 3-digit number. Another example is number 10. It has 2 digits. 10 is an example of a 2-digit number. The digits are 1 and 0. This is number 50. It has 2 digits, 5 and 0. Another example is number 5. It has only 1 digit. Therefore, the digit is 5. The next number is 935. It has 3 digits. This is also called a 3-digit number. The next one is 953. It has digits 9, 5, and 3. Next number is 539. It has 3 digits. Another example of 3-digit number is 359. It has digits 3, 5, and 9. Let's have a short quiz. For example, read the number and find the number of digits. Are you ready? You may answer like this. The number is 34. It has 2 digits, and the digits are 3 and 3. Another example, the number is 3. It has 1 digit, and the digit is 3. Now it's your turn to answer the following questions. Sa mga parents who are interested to join IVFC family upang maging mahusay ang kanilang mga anak sa math at sa pagbabasa, manyari po lamang na makipag-ugnayan sa ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.